Xi'an, a historical and cultural city, is not only famous for its attractions but also for its delicious food. Xi'an's signature dishes, such as Roujiamo, Chinese hamburger, Yangrou Paomo, crumbled unleavened bread in mutton stew, and Zeng Gao, glutinous rice cake, are renowned throughout the country. However, there are many more tasty delicacies in Xi'an than you can imagine. Here, Jucanwang has compiled some of the most popular Xi'an food guides currently circulating online, providing a reference for those planning a trip to Xi'an. Roujiamo, Chinese hamburger. When visiting Xi'an, you must try Roujiamo. Roujiamo is a popular local snack found in both formal restaurants and roadside stalls. The bread used in Roujiamo is crispy and flaky, and the meat, prepared with a secret recipe, complements the bread perfectly. The combination of the two creates a mouth-watering experience with the perfect blend of flavors. Yangrou Paomo, crumbled unleavened bread in mutton stew. Yangrou Paomo emphasizes rich and flavorful broth, tender and non-greasy meat. The unique pleasure of eating Yangrou Paomo lies in tearing the unleavened bread into small pieces. The bread should be broken into small and fine crumbs to fully absorb the meat's flavor in soup, resulting in a delicious and satisfying dish. Hulatang, spicy and sour soup. Although hulatang is originally from Hunan province, Xi'an locals also love it, especially the version with meatballs. The distinctive feature of meatball hulatang is its thick and flavorful broth, which is both spicy and sour. It can be paired with various breakfast options. Typically, locals enjoy a bowl of meatball hulatang along with a roujiamo for breakfast. Saozi mian, saozi noodles. Saozi mian is a traditional and characteristic noodle dish in Shaanxi. It emphasizes the savory and aromatic saozi, stewed meat sauce, and a spoonful of vinegar. The exact composition of the saozi can vary from place to place. However, the general rule is that there should be an ample amount of saozi to enhance the flavor of the noodles. Liangbi. Liangbi is one of the most famous snacks in Xi'an, Shaanxi. There are two types of liangbi in Shaanxi, one is made from wheat flour, and the other is made from rice flour, known as mipi. Liangbi has a soft and tender texture, with a refreshing and spicy taste. It is a delicious snack loved by people in Hanzhong and Qingjin areas of Shaanxi. If you visit Xi'an, this snack is definitely worth trying. Shaanxi saozi noodles. Shaanxi saozi noodles are one of the favorite noodle dishes among the people of Xi'an. Xi'an people mainly consume noodle dishes, including various handmade noodles and bread-like staple foods. Shaanxi saozi noodles are made with handmade noodles and topped with diced tofu, carrots, green beans, minced meat, and other stir-fried ingredients. It looks very appetizing. Shaanxi saozi noodles have a rich variety of toppings, and the noodles are soft and flavorful. The taste is savory, slightly spicy, and very delicious. Hulutu. Hulutu is the most famous specialty snack in Xi'an. Hulutu contains ingredients such as pig intestines, bread, pork, chicken, squid, sliced sea cucumber, cooking wine, seasoning water, monosodium glutamate, chopped coriander, shredded garlic sprouts, sweet garlic, pickled vegetables, and chili sauce. The shape of the pig intestines in hulutu resembles a gourd, hence the name hulutu. Hulutu has a wide variety of ingredients and is an affordable snack. The taste of hulutu is delicious with a flavorful soup. It is rich but not greasy, and it is soft, fragrant, and tasty. It is a popular snack for people of all ages. Biang biang noodles are hand-pulled noodles that have a white, tender, and chewy texture with a strong wheat flavor. The taste of biang biang noodles is savory, spicy, and delicious. The name biang biang comes from the sound made when the noodles are slapped against the chopping board during the noodle-making process, which creates a distinctive noise. Mirror cake. Mirror cake is a famous specialty snack in Xi'an, Shaanxi. It is made from glutinous rice flour and sugar. The shape of the mirror cake resembles a small mirror, round and cute, hence the name mirror cake. The mirror cake has a beautiful and colorful appearance and a sweet and sticky texture. It is a favorite treat for children and has a delightful taste. Zeng Gao. Zeng Gao is a traditional delicacy in Xi'an, Guangzhou, and southern Shaanxi regions. It is made by steaming glutinous rice with red dates or honey dates. Some variations may include red beans, raisins, and other ingredients steamed in an iron steamer called Zeng. Zeng Gao has a long history and is named after the ancient steamer. It has a unique flavor and texture.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.